Today I found out the truth about my parents. That truth ruined everything. My mom's name is Nora. My dad's name is Liam. Nora and Liam first met at a carnival. It was summer. The lights were bright. The music was loud. They saw each other near the cotton candy stand. They fell in love that night. Liam was a good man. He was kind. He was funny. He made Nora laugh every day. They were so happy together. After 1 year, Liam told Nora something important.
I want to have kids. I want to be a father. I love children so much.
He said. Nora wanted to make Liam happy, but there was a problem. Nora could not have children. Her body could not make babies. She was very sad about this. She did not know what to do. Nora was afraid. She thought Liam would leave her. She thought he would find another woman, a woman who could give him children. So Nora did something terrible. She lied.
I am pregnant. We are going to have a baby,
She told Liam. Liam was so happy. He jumped up and down. He kissed Nora. He told everyone the good news. Nora saw how happy he was. She could not tell him the truth now. For 9 months, Nora pretended to be pregnant. She wore big clothes. She put pillows under her dress. She went to fake doctor appointments. Liam believed everything, but Nora knew the truth. There was no baby inside her. She needed a real baby. Fast. Nora made a plan. A very bad plan. One day, she went to the rich part of town. She watched the big houses. She saw families with small children. She waited. She looked for the right moment. A woman came out of a beautiful house. She was holding a newborn baby. It was a girl. The woman put the baby in a stroller. Then, the woman went back inside the house for just 1 minute. Nora moved fast. She took the baby from the stroller. She ran away. Her heart was beating so fast. She was scared, but she did not stop. That baby was me. Nora brought me home to Liam.
Look, our baby is here. Our daughter.
She said. Liam was so happy. He held me in his arms. He cried tears of joy. He loved me right away. At first, Nora did not love me. I was just part of her lie. I was just a way to keep Liam. She fed me. She changed my diapers. But her heart was cold. For 3 years, we were a family. Liam loved me so much. He called me his little princess. Nora watched us together. She started to feel something new in her heart. Then everything changed. Liam lost his job. We had no money. The bills piled up. We could not pay rent. We moved to a smaller house, then an even smaller house. We had less and less. Liam became sad. He became angry. He started drinking. He and Nora fought all the time. I was 4 years old then. One morning, Nora woke up. Liam was gone. His clothes were gone. His shoes were gone. He left a note. It said, "I am sorry. I cannot do this anymore. Goodbye." He never came back. Nora cried for many days. We were alone now, just Nora and me. We were very poor. We had almost nothing. But something strange happened. Nora started to love me. really love me. Maybe it was because Liam was gone. Maybe it was because I was all she had left. She worked 2 jobs. She was tired all the time, but she always helped me with my homework. She came to my school plays. She held me when I was sick. She was a great mom. I never felt she was not my real mother. Years went by. I grew up. I became a woman. I am 27 years old now. Yesterday, Nora got very sick. She went to the hospital. The doctor said she might die soon. She called me to her bed. She told me the truth. She said she was sorry. Nora gave me a piece of paper. It had an address on it. That was where my real parents lived. I do not know what to do. Should I go to my real parents? What will I say to them? Will they want me back? And what about Nora? She raised me. She was poor. She was tired. But she loved me. She gave me everything she had. She is dying. But she did a terrible thing. She changed my life. I could have had a great life. I could have grown up rich. Can I forgive her? Should I forgive her? Should she forgive Nora? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more stories like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed the story, hit the like button. Lesson of the day. Appointment. An appointment is a time you arrange to meet someone, like a doctor, teacher, or friend. Examples from the story. She went to fake doctor appointments. More examples. I have a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. He forgot his appointment with the hairdresser.